video, I'm going to show you 2 ways to squat. One is a progression from the box squat, which if you're new to squatting, please look at the video on the box squat and it will teach you how to use good form when you're learning the squat pattern. And once you've moved on from that, we graduate to a squat without the box, but we'll still use a book. This one weighs about 4 pounds, so grab anything. Actually, it doesn't have to be a book. It can be a water bottle, cans, anything that weighs 4 to 5 pounds. That's a good place to start. And so what we're going to do to progress on from the box squat, so now we don't have the box, I moved it away. We're going to start, again, you want to find your hip width distance, whatever that is for you. And a good way to do that is you start with your feet together, and you just jump up, see where you land, and pretty much that's going to be your squat distance. It's pretty accurate, so that's pretty true for me. And my toes are a little flared out. So find that good position for you. Now we grab our book, and what we're going to do, I'm going to turn to the side so you can kind of see how this works. So the idea is that we want to get to about parallel, so about here in our squat or lower. Right? If you can go down lower, great, with good form. If you can make it all the way down, fantastic, and then come back up. But really, the main thing is that you want to get to at least parallel and a little below. Again, reaching behind you. So we're going to take the book, and we're going to make sure that our knees go over second and third toe. Yeah? We're going to make sure that our knees are pulled apart. We're going to pull our knees apart as we go down, reaching behind us. Back up. Reaching behind us, come back up. Okay? From the front, it looks like this. So get that good positioning, and you can see here what I'm talking about with the knees. So as you go down, pull those knees apart, come back up. Pull those knees apart, come back up. And again, what the book helps you do is it helps you engage your core, which is really important. Even though this is thought to be a leg exercise, it's a full body exercise when you do it right. So using that book will help you engage that core, all your core muscles, as you go down, pulling those knees apart. From the side, reaching behind you,